Good afternoon students. Today we will be starting our PA2 syllabus with exercise 6.3 question number 2, as we have done this much in half yearly exam. So here the first question is, the cost of 1 kg of wheat is rupees 58. What is the cost of 1 by 4 kg of the wheat? So as you can see here, I have already told you, when the value of one thing, when the cost of one thing is given and you have to find the cost of many things, then you have to multiply. Okay, so here 1 kg of cost is given, 1 kg cost of wheat is given rupees 58. So here we have to find the cost of 1 by 4 kg of wheat. So firstly we have to make the statement, cost of 1 kg of wheat rupees 58, cost 1 by 4 kg of wheat is 54, multiply by 1 by 4. So we have to solve this first. So as you remember this thing, how we used to solve the mixed fraction, 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16 plus 1. So 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 we have written up, and the numerator we will write down. Okay, so now we will multiply 58 with 17 by 4. 4 for the 16 plus 1, 17 upon by 4. That's why we are getting this answer. Okay, so now here 4 and 58 does come in the same table, because 8 is even number, and if you remember the divisibility rule of 2, you must have know this thing, that if we are getting 2, 4, 6, 8 at the unit place, so what we will get, we can divide it with 2. So here we are having 4, and 4 can be divided by 2, and 58 we will divide with 2. So how, if you divide 58 by 2, you will get 29. Okay, 5 doesn't come in the table of 2, so we can take 4 come in the table of 2 at 2, so we will write 2 up. Now 1 is left, so 1 or 88, I have told you, you can write 1 in front of it, so it will become 18. 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. 18 2 के टेबल में 9 पे आता है, so 29 आंसर आ गया, और here we are having 2. So 29 multiplied by 17, and in denominator you can write 2 here like this. 29 multiplied by 17, we get 493. We get 493 here. So 493 upon में 2. Okay, so here if you want to find the fraction, a mixed fraction, so we can find the mixed fraction also. How we have to find the mixed fraction? Divide this 493 with 2. So 493 divided by 2, you will get the answer like this, 246, and remainder will be 1. This remainder will become your numerator, this remainder will become your numerator, and this divisor will become your denominator, and this 246 will become whole number. So that's why I have written like this, 246 a whole number, 1 is your remainder will become numerator, and the divisor will become denominator. So this will be the mixed fraction answer. So the cost of 1 by 4 kg kg of wheat is 493 upon 2. Okay, here I have not written of wheat, so you can write wheat also, 1 by 4 kg of wheat. Okay, is 493 by 2, or you can say 242 1 by 2. Okay, rupees. So next question is question number 3. You need 1 by 4 liter of oil, 3 by 4 kg of sugar, and 1 by 2 kg of flour to bake a cake. So this is the quantity that is required for one cake. Now what is the quantity of each item? Okay, in class by mistake we have added this thing. You no need to add this, because you have to find the quantity of each item. So what quantity, where you want to find the quantity of each item of this ingredient, will you need to bake 12 such cakes. So we need to make 12 such cakes, and we have to find the quantity of each item differently. Okay, एक item के अलग अलग निकालनी है आपको. So that's why, as you cannot count oil or sugar and flour, so that's why I am using the word quantity here. Quantity of oil needed for baking a cake, that is 1 by 4 liter. So quantity of oil needed for baking 12 such cakes. So then 1 by 4 divided 1 by 4 multiplied by 12. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 12 is, if you divide 12 by 12 and 4, as 12 and 4 does come in the same table, 4 will go at 1 and 12 will go with 3. So the answer will be 3 liters. Okay, so quantity is in liters, so that's why 3 liters. Now quantity of sugar needed for baking a cake, so that is 3 by 4 kg. Now quantity of sugar needed for baking 12 cakes will be 3 by 4 multiplied by 12. As it is the quantity that is given for one cake, now we need for 12 cakes. So 4 and 12 thus came in the same table, 4 will be at 1 and 12 will be at 3. Okay, 4 come in the table of 4 at 1 and 12 will come in the table of 4 at 3. So 3 3 the 9. So the 9 kg quantity of the sugar will be needed. Now quantity of flour needed to bake a cake. For bake a cake, flour you need, so 1 by 2 kg is given. Now quantity of flour needed to bake 12 such cakes. So 12 such cakes will be 1 by 2 multiply by 12. So 12 को 1 by 2 से multiply करोगे, so 2 and 12 does come in the same table. 2 will go at 1 and 12 will go at 6 and in the table of 2. So now we have got 6 kg here. So 3 liters of oil is required, 9 kg of sugar is required and 6 kg of flour is required to bake 12 cakes. Okay, to bake 12 such cakes we need what? We need 12 k, we need this much of quantity of things. Okay, now question number 4 I have given you as homework. A group of 24 children and 2 teachers. So how many total people are there? 30. 24 plus 2, 26 are there. Total people are 26. Go to an amusement park. If entry ticket to park cost is 20 at 1 by 4 per person, means this is the cost of one person. Okay, ticket cost of one person. You are having total how many people? 26. So find the total amount the group need to pay. So how much money, total money you have to find, that kitni pay karni hai. So total here 24 plus 2, 26 and you have to multiply with this amount. Okay, so firstly this is the cost of one person, cost of ticket of one person. Second question is Kritika goes for walk every day. She covers 75 1 by 4 meter in 1 minute. So this much distance she is covering in 1 minute. You have to find the distance covered in 30 minutes. So it means that you will multiply this with this. But this question I have not given you as homework and we are leaving this question. जस्ट ये बहुत ईजी क्वेश्चन है. 1 मिनट के अंदर अगर इतना कवर करती है तो 30 मिनट्स के अंदर कितना करेगी. सो 30 मिनट्स वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट विद दिस. यू कैन लीव दिस क्वेश्चन, नो नीड टू डू इट इन द नोटबुक एंड एनीथिंग. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इन रफ नोटबुक. Okay, it is advisable to drink at least 3 liter water every day. So now it is advisable that you need to drink 3 liters water every day. Sameer drinks 1 by 4 liter water 8 times a day. Now he is drinking 8 times a day, means एक दिन के अंदर 8 बारी पानी पी रहा है. और कितना पानी पी रहा है? एक बारी में 1 by 4 लीटर वाटर पी रहा है. वो ये पूछता है इट इज़ लेस देन, मोर देन और इक्वल टू द मिनिमम क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर दैट वन शुड ड्रिंक पर डे. सो एडवाइजेबल क्वांटिटी के हिसाब से क्या वो इक्वल पी रहा है, लेस पी रहा है, या ज़्यादा पी रहा है? वी वांट टू चेक दैट. So how we will find it out? Firstly we have to check whether how much he is drinking every day. So 1 by 4 liter is drank by him one time. So we have to find that 8 times कितना total होता है. So firstly the quantity of water intake by Sameer one time is 1 by 4 liter. Number of times he drinks water is 8. So total quantity of water intake is 1 by 4 multiply by 8. So 4 and 8 does come in the same table. 4 will come in the table of 4 at 1 and 8 come in the table of 4 at 2. So here 2 liters means total water intake of Sameer is 2 liter. But advisable quantity of water to drink at least 3 liters every day. तो 3 लीटर्स जो है ज़्यादा होता है 2 लीटर से. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि समीर जो है कम पानी पी रहा है. सो समीर वाटर इनटेक इज़ लेस दैन दी एडवाइसेबल क्वांटिटी. एडवाइसेबल क्वांटिटी से कम पानी पी रहा है, वो 1 लीटर पानी कम पी रहा है. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज योर द लेंथ ऑफ ईच इक्वल साइड ऑफ हेक्सागन. अगर आपको याद होगा हेक्सागन 6 साइड वाला जो शेप होती है विद विच इज मेड अप ऑफ लाइंस, इक्वल लाइंस, दैट इज हेक्सागन 6 साइड वाली. नाउ इज 5 3 बाई सेंटीमीटर. तो एक साइड की आपको दिया हुआ है दैट 5 3 बाई 4 सेंटीमीटर जो है साइड की लेंथ है. वट इज़ द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द हेक्सागन. अगर पैरामीटर आपको नहीं पता है तो पेरीमीटर बाउंड्री को कहते हैं. तो 6 साइड्स को टोटल मिला के जब 6 साइड्स को ऐड करोगे, सारी की सारी साइड्स को 6 साइड्स को ऐड करोगे तो वो पेरीमीटर बन जाएगा हेक्सागन का. सो आप पहले जो है कैसे निकालोगे इसको? द लेंथ ऑफ हेक्सागन ऑफ ईच साइड इज 5 3 बाई 4 सेंटीमीटर. एक साइड के 5 3 बाई 4 सेंटीमीटर दिया है. अब मैंने उसको चेंज किया इन प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में. 4 5 द 20 होता है एंड 20 प्लस 3 कितना होगा? 23 एंड डिनोमिनेटर विल बी 4. ना नंबर ऑफ साइड्स ऑफ हेक्सागन कितनी होगी? 6 इक्वल साइड्स होती हैं क्योंकि पेरीमीटर ऑफ हेक्सागन क्या होता है? 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड, क्योंकि 6 साइड्स है. या तो 23 बाई 4 को 6 बार लिख लोगे तो भी आंसर आ जाएगा. ना 6 एंड 4 डज कम इन द सेम टेबल. 2 के टेबल पे आते हैं. सो 6 विल गो एट 3 एंड 4 विल गो एट 2. सो 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 23 आ जाएगा and 2 we will write down. So 3 the 9, 3 2 the 6 and 2 we will write down. So 69 by 2 centimeter is the perimeter of hexagon. So this is the question, that 7th question. And 8th question is your, the cost of 1 meter of cloth is 95 rupees. 95, it's quite easy question. 1 meter 95 rupees का आ रहा है. What is the cost of 24 3/5 meter of same cloth? तो आपको उसने पूछा है कि कॉस्ट कितनी होगी. कॉस्ट कितनी होगी आपकी 24 क्या कहते हैं 3/5 मीटर ऑफ क्लोथ की. तो आप क्या करोगे, इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. सो दीज 2 आर द होमवर्क दैट यू हैव टू डू इन द नोटबुक. ये आपको दोनों नोटबुक में करने हैं. ये आप आपकी मर्जी है, आप रफ नोटबुक, ये दोनों आपकी नॉर्मल जो मेन नोटबुक है मैथ्स की उसमें करोगे. ये अगर आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है क्वेश्चन तो आप उसमें कर सकते हैं, आपकी रफ नोटबुक में प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. एंड एवरी अदर 4 क्वेश्चंस वी हैव डन इन द क्लास. So students, I hope that you have understood. Please maintain your notebooks properly. I don't want anybody to don't leave your work, please. Every day you have to complete your work.